like get it going, because I feel like I lost time. I know that I didn't lose time. My therapist, if you're watching this, I know I didn't lose time because I was doing productive things like healing and Happy New Year, everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Tiani, and I am so happy you are spending the start of your year with me. I feel like this year is a year of new beginnings and possibilities. I feel like everyone is just feeling the energy with this year. I really want to make the most of this year. I wanted to share with you today how I'm going about achieving those goals. If you're like me and you're trying to set new goals for the new year and you want to accomplish them, and then come along, we can go on this journey together. It's always easier to do things together. The concept for this year that I'm going to try out is called the 12-week year. It was written by Brian P. Moran and Michael Lennington. It's a productivity framework to help you achieve your goals faster than you would in a normal year. The premise is that you take 12 weeks of highly focused action and it will turn into a more productive year. Picking your most important goals and prioritizing them over 12 weeks and getting rid of all of the other ancillary tasks that probably are keeping you from achieving your goals. Just listen to it on YouTube. There's an audiobook on YouTube. Recommend that you listen to it so you can see the full framework of the 12-week year. As a person who is anxious and I listen to other techniques online, that doesn't really work for me. I get very overwhelmed by all the tasks to do. I feel like I don't know where to start. So I'm hoping it will reduce some of the anxiety that comes with trying to achieve goals. Like today, this is actually my second time filming this video. The audio with the first video just was static. It was absolutely nothing. I just literally want to have the best year ever, and it's just not gonna happen unless, you know, you have a system to achieve it. This Notion template given out by the beautiful and wonderful Montel B. Her videos are so helpful, and I will leave in the description below her video on her 12-week year. In that video, she includes this template. All credit goes to her for that. On her channel, she goes so in depth in these videos, so I highly recommend, if you have more questions, to check hers out. Let's hop over into my Notion so we can see my framework. So this is the 12-week year template, like I said, given by Montel B, and this is just kind of what I have come up with. So the framework is you want to pick an overall goal. So you can have a goal for all three of these sections, but my biggest goal for the year is to hit 100K subscribers on YouTube. That has been my goal since I've literally been 15, and I started my YouTube channel last year. I don't know why it was Dior. Obviously you can see that this is a template from her because I saw that button. We're gonna break it down into the first 12 weeks. So starting off with your 12-week goal. So I have 3 goals and 3 focuses for the next 12 weeks. So my priority number 1, because I have spent a lot of time in the pandemic and before just working on healing myself, working on, you know, healing my inner child, going through childhood traumas and stressors, and really trying to dive deep and figure out, you know, the root cause of my anxiety. And it's very hard for me to take time for myself or remember or prioritize that. So it was important to put that down in your goals, even if your priority is yourself, because none of this other stuff can happen if there's no you. From your priorities, they get broken down into strategies. So these strategies are going to help you day to day get done what you need to get done. These are the strategies. Do my skincare in the morning and at night, 30 minutes of movement a day. And then I also suggest that you use words like, see how I used a word like movement? That's so much different than saying like, I'm gonna go to the gym this many times a week. It's so much different than using a word like, I'm gonna go to the gym. Because if you use something like, I'm gonna go to the gym, and you don't go to the gym, did you really do what you said you were gonna do? I don't know. So just pick kind of open-ended words to just give yourself a little bit of flexibility, because this is pretty intense anyway, so you're going to give yourself like some courtesy where you can. Take my medications, journal daily, eat healthy meals. That's something I really need to focus on, because if you are hungry, you cannot do anything. You can't do anything, and I was eating out a lot during the pandemic, and I just need a healthy body and healthy mind to be able to do the things I need to do. So healthy meals is really, really important. Drinking water, because again, your brain needs water, your body needs water. And screen limits because I just feel like, again, during the pandemic, I was just on my phone so much, just scrolling and scrolling and scrolling. That's not what we're doing anymore. So that is my wellness and my priorities and strategies that will help me, you know, build a better wellness routine. On to the number 2 priority is I want to have 10,000 subscribers in 12 weeks. I know, it's kind of crazy. I think I have 34 subscribers right now, so thank you so much to everyone who has subscribed. It means the world to me. I'm one step and one subscriber closer to my dream, so I really appreciate you being here with me. My strategies: I want to upload twice a week, schedule filming and editing days, because obviously you can just film more than one thing in a day or have different content ideas, and then the editing is so daunting. I personally need a day that I'm sitting down and just editing away morning till night, because that's just is what it's gonna take. And if I don't plan those days in, it's really easy for me to get behind and procrastinate on the editing. I can make sure that I'm super active is converting TikToks into shorts, researching trends and titles, because trends and titles are super important for people to be able to find me. And when starting my channel, obviously I want as many beautiful faces to find my beautiful face, so that we can all be friends on this channel. So I need to have really good titles and be on trend for that to happen. Again, create amazing thumbnails. You're not going to click on a video if it doesn't have a thumbnail, and I find that actually making thumbnails is more difficult than you think it is. So I definitely needed to allow myself more time to do that, because I want to live in like my Lizzie McGuire, Disney Channel, That's So Raven era. I want to create an intro sequence that you always see when you come to my page. Last but not least, we have 80k followers on TikTok. Right now I have about 40,000 on TikTok, so but I don't post that often, so I want to upload daily, upload my drafts that I have saved on there, schedule days. Again, just like for the YouTube days, I want to schedule TikTok days, so I'm making sure I'm like making the content I need to make and getting that content edited as well. And then I need to track the data, because I'm not very good about knowing how anything works. So I need to kind of read up on that, especially with TikTok being such a new platform. And again, just do more research about the sounds on TikTok that are trending, and also about the Creator Fund and other services that they offer for creators. I just need to be up to date on that. Those right there are all of my goals and the priorities that I have going into this 12 weeks. And of course, I am gonna update you when the time comes in 12 weeks. Actually, how far is 12 weeks? Hey Siri, I'll just put the date on the screen of when this is up. This gets broken down additionally into another tracker. So this is my month 1 tracker, and this will change for you month to month. So I have upload YouTube video, film, take photos, edit, send emails, apply for deals, post on Pinterest, upload to TikTok. So I have all the things that I need to be doing on a daily basis, that are just gonna help me get to where I need to be going. Like, these are the things I need to focus on ASAP, immediately, to be where I need to be. So all of these should be checked for all the days, and obviously they're not. So, you know, we're getting there. Yesterday was still the holiday, okay? This is the first day back. This is broken down even more. So this is kind of like a daily, for me, like a daily task tracker, and then below that is weekly, what you need to do, your priorities. So like, I put 30-minute movement again in here because I have such a hard time doing that. Meal prepping, I need to clean my makeup brushes for wellness, for my skin, making sure I look nice. Why am I doing skincare if I have dirty brushes? It makes no sense. Priority number 2, order camera parts for my camera, because obviously I have to film, so my camera needs its parts. I can't put it off anymore. Film all of these things. I'm currently filming the 12-week interviews, I'm currently filming the 12-week year, as you can see here. So I have all of this on this list that I need to do, and the same for TikTok. It also includes another tracker down here for vision in 1 year and current reality, and so you can kind of change this and go through it. I have not gotten there yet, because I need to like sit there and visualize. But in this section, you can rate where you are right now in your current reality, your vision in 1 year, how is it your priority, and then rate it again at the end. I'm so excited to get going on this. I know it can be really hard to envision how yourself in your current state can transform to your highest self and your highest best state. But it happens through small, incremental steps and through days of work that turn into months of work that turn into years of work. And you know, my goals, they are big goals. They might seem like a little delusional. Like I said, I have 34 subscribers, and I want 10,000 subscribers in 10 weeks. In 10 weeks, I want to go from 34 subscribers to 10,000, and I believe that I can do that. And I want you to believe that you can make your dream life happen too. Even if I achieve half of my goal, that's incredible to go from anywhere that I am now to anywhere that I'm gonna be. At the end of the day, your dreams should be fun, and achieving your dreams will be fun. And I just wanna encourage you to keep dreaming big. Dream as big as you can. Dream, even like surprise yourself. Get uncomfortable with how big you want to dream. We only get this one life. We don't get it back. We are just here to have fun and to try things. And it's so amazing to have dreams and to try to achieve them. Like that is such a great quest to have in life, such an honorable thing to do and to chase. And I totally believe that you are gonna get there. I believe that I'm gonna get there. And hopefully on this channel, you can follow along with my journey of achieving these dreams and coming along with me on my healing journey and many other things that I wanna show on this channel. I hope that you have a great rest of your day and a great 2023. Keep dreaming big, and I will see you next time. Bye.